Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of building a product recommendation system using Python and Streamlit. We'll start by introducing the code we'll be working with, utilizing Python along with the Streamlit library to create an interactive web application. Next, we'll delve into the dataset we'll be using, essential for generating personalized recommendations tailored to each user. We'll then dissect the code line by line, focusing on key concepts such as text preprocessing, vectorization, and cosine similarity, elucidating their roles in the recommendation system. I'll explain how the get_recommendations function operates, providing personalized recommendations based on user input and age group. Moving on to the demonstration, we'll witness the code in action, showcasing how users can input preferences and select age groups to receive personalized recommendations. Remember, user feedback is crucial for refining the accuracy of recommendation systems. We'll explore potential extensions and improvements, including different vectorization techniques, user feedback incorporation, and UI enhancements. In conclusion, we've covered the fundamentals of building a product recommendation system. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on Python programming, machine learning, and data science. You can find the code repository, relevant resources, and my social media channels in the description below. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!